In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sheets using Excel in N8N quickly and easily. This is a simple but useful step if you want to connect your Excel file to an automation workflow and pull in the available sheets for further actions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N tutorials. Let's get started. First, inside your N8N workflow, go to the Nodes panel on the left side of the screen. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel. Once it appears, click it to add the node to your workflow. This is the node you'll use to work with Excel files inside N8N. After adding the node, look for the operation menu and choose Get Sheets. This tells N8N that you want to retrieve the sheet names from your Excel file rather than editing or writing data. It's the correct option when your goal is simply to see what sheets are available inside the workbook. Now it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. Connect the Microsoft Excel account if needed, then provide the necessary file information so N8N knows which Excel workbook to read. Make sure the details are entered correctly because the node needs access to the right file in order to return the sheet list. Once your configuration is complete, run the node to test it. N8N will then fetch the sheets from the Excel file and show the results in the output panel. You can use that output in the next steps of your workflow depending on what you want to automate. And that's it. You've now learned how to get sheets using Excel in N8N by selecting the Microsoft Excel node, choosing Get Sheets, and configuring the required details. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8N automation tutorials.